Hello everyone. Good afternoon. Hello. Good
Good
afternoon.
afternoon.
Let us wait for the others to join us. You can wave and say hi to your friends over there. Okay?
Okay.
Okay. Hi everyone. Hello. So, are you ready?
Yes, I'm very ready now.
Yes. Okay. So, we will start. Okay? Ready?
Okay.
Today we will have science, and our topic this afternoon is about the uses of plants and animals. Okay, so in this lesson we are going to learn several uses of plants and animals. So what do you think is the importance of plants and animals? So plants and animals are natural resources that are very important to humans. Okay? Plants and animals have played an important role in human life for as long as they've all existed. People would not have survived without the help of several species of plants and animals. So today we were going to learn uses of plants and animals. Okay, so we have as food, shelter, for clothing, and medicine. Okay, but this afternoon we will only discuss food and shelter. Okay, and the rest will be next week. Okay, so uses of plants and animals, we have the following as food, for shelter, for clothing, and as medicine. Okay, let's proceed. Plants as a source of food. Plants are the backbone of all life on Earth and an essential resource for human well-being. Okay, so throughout history, plants have been a primary source of food for humans, right? Everything we eat comes directly or indirectly from plants. Humans use about 150 of the 50,000 edible plant species on Earth. Okay? So plants are considered backbone because they are considered as the primary source of food for humans. Okay? Everything we eat, directly or indirectly, they come from plants. Okay? Let's proceed. Okay, so fruits and vegetables come from plants. So fruits are formed from the flowers of different plants. Okay, for example, we have mangoes, bananas, apples. Okay, and vegetables can be different parts of a plant, such as we have the roots. So some vegetables that come from roots, we have the potatoes, sweet potatoes, carrots, radish, turnip, etc. and so on. There's many more, okay? And we also have vegetables from leaves of plants. We have the spinach, lettuce, cabbage, and so on. Okay? We also have vegetables from fruits of plants. Okay? We have cucumbers, tomatoes, pumpkin, and so on. Okay? And we also have vegetables from the stem of plants. We have the bamboo shoot, asparagus, and so on and so forth. Okay? There's many more. And we also have vegetables from seeds like the beans, peas, nuts, and lentils. Okay? And we also have the inflorescence vegetables like the broccoli, cauliflower, artichoke, and many more. Okay? So fruits and vegetables come from plants, right? So fruits are from the flowers like bananas and all the fruits. Okay, rambutan, jackfruit, and all. And vegetables also come from plants. They are from the different parts of a plant. We have from the roots, leaves, fruit, stem, seeds. Okay, so let's proceed. I hope everything is clear. So I have here list or few examples of vegetables. Are you familiar with these vegetables? Have you tried eating these vegetables? Okay, so if you have tried 2 or more than 5 of these vegetables, it means very good. Okay, because or not all kids eat vegetables, which is kids like you need to eat vegetables. Okay, so if you have eaten 5 or more than 5 of these vegetables, you may raise your hand. Let me see. Okay, we have friend. Very good. How about the others? Raise your hand if you have tried or if you like to eat this kind of vegetables. Okay. Okay, Beam. Okay, so we have eggplant, green bean, lettuce, mushroom, artichoke, asparagus, the beetroot, bell pepper, carrots, cucumber, my favorite, corn, cabbage, also I like cabbage, the Brussels sprout, broccoli, I like broccoli, pumpkin, potato, I just eat potato yesterday, zucchini, cauliflower, tomato, sweet potato, and radish. Okay? Okay, so please eat vegetables. They're very nutritious. Okay? And I have here several examples of fruits. Okay? So some of them or some of these fruits are seasonal. So it means they are only available during a certain months of the year. Okay? So today I noticed we have a lot of dragon fruit and rambutan, right? And last month I noticed we have like mango. Okay, am I correct? Okay, so we have the apple, apricot, avocado. Yes, I think this month also is the month for avocados. Banana, nectarine, oranges, papaya, passion fruit, plum, the watermelon, strawberry, pineapple, pear, raspberry, mango, lychee. We have the coconut, the fig, the grape, and kiwi. We also have the black currant, blackberry, blueberry, and cherry. We also have peach and pear. Okay, so if you have eaten or more than 5 of these fruits, raise your hands. More than 5 of these examples, raise your hands. Have you tried raspberry? How about the others? Okay, we have Nana and friend. How about Liao? Have you tried eating more than 5 of these fruits? Okay, friend. How about Mikey and Potter? Titima, Smart. Have you tried eating more than 5 of these examples? Beam and RC. Do you like to eat strawberry, mango, apple, avocado, strawberry, and watermelon? Okay, so that's it. Okay, so let's proceed. Okay, and spices and herbs also come from plants. Okay, I don't know if you're familiar with these, but I think most of the households in Thailand have these spices. Okay, because Thai people love to cook, right? So I think every kitchen in Thai household have these. Okay, so we have the cardamom, cloves, cinnamon, star anise, cumin, garlic, ginger, coriander, red chilies. I think every household of Thailand has red chilies because most of Thai people love spicy food, right? We have bay leaf, turmeric, peppercorn, mustard seeds, black cumin, okay? And we also have the herbs, basil, and parsley, sage, we have oregano, rosemary, the mint, the rucola, and the thyme or thyme, okay? So I hope you're familiar with this one. Have you seen these spices and herbs in your kitchen? Okay, if you have seen these spices and herbs in your kitchen, can you raise your hands? No? Why? Why? Okay.
There's none of them
Okay.
in my kitchen.
Okay. Okay. And how about the others? So, fruits, vegetables, spices, and herbs come from plants. So always remember that, okay? So, is everything clear? So let's proceed. So let's proceed to animals. Okay, so animals as a source of food. So not all of our food comes from plants. Okay, a good portion of the food we eat comes from animals. Most of the animals are specifically raised to be butchered for our food requirements. Okay, so not only food come from plants, we also have portion that we eat that come from animals. Okay, so let's proceed. So here are some examples of meat and their sources. Okay, so I don't know if you're familiar with some of these. So we have chicken, or what we call the poultry meat, either from chicken, duck, turkey, and other poultry animals. Okay, we also have bacon and pork, which comes from pigs. So you will not say, do you eat pig? Okay, so you will say, do you eat pork? Do you eat bacon? So you will not say, do you eat pigs? Wrong, okay? So the meat from pigs, you call them bacon or pork, okay? I eat bacon and pork, okay? And we also have the mutton. So mutton is a meat from lambs, okay? And venison is meat from deer. And we also have the beef from cows and buffaloes. Okay, we call it beef. Okay, and we also have the chicken, which is a goat meat. Okay, so we have chicken, poultry meat, pork or bacon from pigs, mutton from lambs, venison from deer, beef from cows and buffaloes, and chicken from goat. Okay, so we are just familiar with chicken and pork meat, right? And also beef. Next, let's proceed. Okay, so I have here examples of different meat from different animals. Okay, I hope you can see it clearly over there. Okay, so this one is a turkey. Okay, so this is a turkey meat. So turkeys are larger than chickens, normal chickens. Okay, usually in US they would eat this one during Thanksgiving, right? And we also have different meat from pigs, from lambs, chicken over here, and beef over here. Okay, there are people that don't eat meat. Okay, they are called vegetarians. Okay, so it means they don't eat pork, beef, they don't eat meat. Okay, So they are called vegetarians. Okay. Who among you here doesn't eat beef? Beef from cows and buffaloes. Oh, friend doesn't eat beef. How about the others? Okay, how about who among you here doesn't eat pork? Doesn't eat pork. No, everybody eats pork, right? Okay. How about if you eat duck? Duck. Okay, duck meat. Okay, how about the others? Okay, Mikey and Dean. Have you tried duck meat, right? Okay, how about the others? Rabbit. Okay, rabbit. Actually, now they butchered rabbits and they said it tastes good. Yes. Another source of food is seafood. So they too are consumed by humans and are an important source of food, especially in coastal regions. So we have the following. Fish, okay, like tuna, salmon, mackerel, anchovy, etc. and so on and so forth. We also have the shellfish, like the crustaceans, like shrimp, lobster, crabs, okay? And another shellfish, like mollusk and the bivalves, we have the clams, scallops, oysters, mussels, squid, octopus, and so on. Okay, so these are seafood. So considered as another source of food. Okay, who among you here eats seafood? Loves seafood. Okay, friend, how about the others? I think more on fish, right? For you, because you're still kids, you're still young. Okay, fish is good for you. Shrimp, crabs, okay. Squid, okay. But for this clams and mussels, octopus, maybe some of you are allergic, okay? Maybe. So here are examples of seafoods. I hope you can see it clearly over there. So we have the octopus, different fish, lobsters, prawns and shrimps, clam, looks yummy, salmon, crab. This one is a king crab with an oyster over here and mussels over here. Have you tried eating this seafood? Raise your hands. Beam? Hello, Beam. Hi, Beam. Okay, have you tried shrimp? Do you like shrimp? No? How about salmon? This one, salmon fish. Do you eat salmon fish? No? Okay. Okay, thank you. And we have RC. Hello, RC.
Hello.
Do you eat shrimp?
Yes.
Okay. How about squid or octopus? Do you eat?
No.
No. Okay. How about lobsters? Have you tried eating lobsters? This one.
Yes. Yes.
How about king crabs? Do you like crabs?
I eat.
Okay. Have you tried eating mussels? This one?
No.
No.
Never.
Okay. How about fish? Do you like fish?
Yes.
Okay. Thank you, RC. Okay. How about the others? What seafood do you eat, Mel Tai? Hello. Hello, Mel Tai.
That's teacher.
Okay. So, what seafood do you like?
Salmon.
Salmon. Wow. How about shrimp? Do you like shrimp?
No.
No. How about crabs?
No.
No. Only salmon. And other fish, right?
Yes.
Okay, thank you, Melchai. Okay, so let's proceed. So we have, okay. So then we come to the dairy products. So this is the milk, the curd, cream, cheese, butter, eggs, etc. So these are also sources of food we get from animals, okay? All of these are made from milk and eggs, which comes from animals such as cows, buffaloes, goats, and many more. Honey is also another food we get from animals, namely bees. Okay, so we have it here. Okay, so these products come from animals: milk, cheese, curd, eggs, and honey. So do not forget. Okay, next we have, okay, so let's proceed to the second uses of plants and animals. So we have how we use plants for shelter. Okay, so we're done with plants as a food source. Okay, so let's proceed to plants for shelter. Okay, so plants are made into materials used to build both the exterior and interior of different kinds of shelters or houses. Okay, some of these materials are wood, timber, straw, and bamboo. So plants also provide shelter and safety for animals. Okay, plants also provide a place for animals to find other food. So plants is not only useful for humans when it comes for shelter. So plants also provide shelter, home, and safety for other animals, for animals. Okay, let's proceed. So some trees have strong trunks. They provide wood, okay, that can be used to build shelters and houses. Other plant materials such as bamboo and straw are also used to build houses. Okay, so we have, okay, so these are houses made of wood. So I have few examples. Okay, so usually houses in the Philippines are made of wood. Okay, in Thailand, right? Some of the houses are made of wood. Okay, so like this. And we also have houses made of bamboo. So we have this one. We also have houses like these in the Philippines. But I haven't seen houses like these here. I haven't seen yet. Okay. So this one, and we have houses made of straw. So this one, we haven't seen houses made of this one because it's not that strong. Okay, if there will be typhoons, heavy rain, so it will be easily washed out or carried away by strong winds, right? Okay, so usually you can see this straw or house made of straw usually in farms. Okay, you cannot see this in cities, right? Okay, so that's it. Do you have any questions? Do you have any clarifications? If you are confused, you can ask me now, okay? So if you have your science book with you, you can review and read. Okay, again, you can read again or you can review. So our topic today is on page 32 up to page 41. Okay, so 32 to 41 first, this book, okay? 32 to 41 because we only discussed plants and animals as food and shelter. So you may read again on your books, okay? So any questions? Okay, so do not forget plants and animals are very important to people, to humans, okay? So they are considered as the main sources of food. That is the main uses of plants and animals. Okay, is that clear? So we have as food and shelter. So by next week, we will discuss for clothing and medicine. Okay, so I hope everything is clear. No questions? Okay, if you have questions, if you're confused, you may read again on your book, page 32 to 41. Okay? Okay. You have also many examples of vegetables and fruits, fish and other seafoods on your book. Okay, in your book. Okay. Okay, so please get your notebooks, homework. Please write the date today. No questions na? No? None so far? Okay, very good. So I hope everything is clear. Okay, so get your notebooks. Okay, so please write the date. Today is Wednesday, 21st of July, 2021. So I want you to do the following. Write and do everything you see on your screen. Do the boxes and this table, this chart over here. Okay, so first you have their name of food, and then you have here plants and animals. Okay, you may use a ruler. Okay, so here is what you are going to do. Write one of your favorite food. Okay, what is your favorite food? You write it here. Only one dish. Okay, and I want you to identify the ingredients of that food that you like, whether they come from plants or animals. Okay, and this part here, you're going to print or cut pictures of the food that you like. You cannot draw, okay? You may cut from magazines or books, or you may print the picture of the food, okay? For example, okay, do not copy, this is my example, okay? So we have, my favorite food is a Filipino dish, okay? We call it pork sinigang or pork soup or pork sour soup in English. But usually we call it pork sinigang, okay? So the ingredients of this food is, okay, so I have it here. I list down all the ingredients and I identified whether they come from plants or animals. So the ingredients that come from plants, we have onion, long beans, okra, cabbage, onion leeks, tomatoes, water spinach, chili pepper, and radish. And we have pork from animals, okay? Pork from pigs, okay? And this is how pork sinigang looks like, okay? So that's it. You may cut and paste, or you can print pictures. You cannot draw. Please do not draw, okay? But if you don't have printers, you may find another way. Maybe look for pictures on magazines, or maybe newspapers or cooking books that you are not using anymore. Okay. Okay, so that's it. So this is an example, okay? You may write one of your favorite food, identify the ingredients, list down whether they come from plants or animals, okay? You can also see another example on your book, okay? In your book, we have it on page 33, okay? It's over here. Okay. Only one dish. Okay. Only one dish. so that's it. This is just an example, na. Do not copy. Have your own, make your own. Okay. And you can look for the spellings in your books. Okay, we have the different spices and vegetables in your book, or you may search in Google for the spelling. Okay, mind your spellings. Okay, write them in English. Okay, any questions? We only have 1 minute left. None so far? Okay, so I hope you're done. Okay, so that's all for today. Thank you so much. Thank you for joining. Thank you for your cooperation. I'm going to see you again tomorrow. Okay, and tomorrow we will have math. Okay, so please check your schedules. Okay, so have a great day, everyone. Okay, so bye-bye. Bye, everyone.
ต้องคิดว่าหนูชอบอะไร
Bye.